Yes.
Spit it out. Spit it out.
Try to take it out already.
It's not good playing with butter.
Oh, wow. Keep on doing it. It feels good.
You're such a dumb man.
Literally, it does feel good. Go. Oh, yeah. It'll slip out. Yeah, sure. Go, Dennis!
Oh my god.
Go.
It worked on me.
Think skinny thoughts. Skinny thoughts. Go, Dennis. Don't
Go like this, you mensa. Go like
Do not
more.
see me. Ow, it hurts.
Imagine how.
Damn it.
I call your brother and be like, do you have the keys for them?
He doesn't. I've asked him before.
Shit. I'm going to hang. Oh, goddamn. I'm going to go to the police.
You're gonna go to hell.
So you can probably like
Go to the police department.
go to a store and buy some. But the one at the store are fake.
They're fake, you stupid.
But some of them are real. Like this one.
You
I don't know where my brother got those.
Oh, keep on doing it. It actually feels good. Keep on touching my head.
Oh, you. I'm trying to help you.
It actually feels good, dude.
Ricky said arrow 3, a heart. Because I told him that she said that he was an ass, and he said tell her arrow 3.
Okay.
Dumbass.
That's not funny, Ricky. That's not funny. I'm in pain right now.
You know, you're he's gonna like hear you, like in the recording.
Oh, yeah.
This is going on.
Go.
On my
Make it
profile.
skinny. Go.
Huh?
Ow, shit.
It is like if you're having a baby or something. Pull! 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 You can do it! The baby's coming now! Mira! Oh my god! Did you see? But it worked. ¿Cómo le hiciste? Quiere llorar. Pull! The baby's coming out!
You make me nervous.
Pull! The baby's coming out!
Let me pull it.
Mira, está toda cool.
I'm telling people.
Who you telling? Who?
My hands are buttery.
Make it more buttery. Probably will work. Oh, yeah.
I think I have a USB cord that fits your camera so like the thing can go on my computer. Stop it! No, I'm not gonna stop. We're already on.
The baby was about to come out.
Dude, you guys are saying pool, and this is supposed to be push for a baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Our way is pool.
It's pool like
Make
that.
it skinny.
I don't think skinny.
For all of you people.
Those evil egos. Do not eat egos before you get handcuffed.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, hold on.
No, it hurts.
Well, you want me to make it tighter? You want me to?
You make it tight. I'm gonna eat it. I don't scrunch out.
Pull!
I pulled that
Take
one
out that baby.
No.
Aw,
Stop arguing. We're halfway already, stupid. And you put it back down. You're so stupid.
Oh, it hurts. It hurts, Jenny.
You need to call someone.
We need to call like she's giving birth.
She is.
You're halfway. I put it.
Pull it.
No, don't pull
Pull
it.
it. Ya, como trae.
Oh, it fucking hurts. I'm Auntie, I'm trying to
More
stretch
butter.
it.
More butter.
More butter. Oh yeah, she can give me a massage.
Shut up. Oh, it's
The blue bonnet.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Doesn't work.
Nada,
Nada.
mom. Nada.
Yeah.
No.
Ando haciendo.
We're just helping a friend in need.
Hola, ¿cómo?
What?
Pull it, hon.
Two.
Pull it gently. Gently. Gently, Lena, gently.
Gently.
No, it's not.
This is harder.
It's almost there. Almost there. Woo! You got that baby out. Hey.
Sorry.
Me machaste de pura butter, you bitch.
Never put on handcuffs without knowing if they have the keys.
Go on.
How does it feel?
Opening.
Wait. I wanna look.
Raymond,
Mira.
watch this.
She put
Aren't those Raymond?
She put them on.
And no keys. Raymond has the keys, you guys. As a matter of fact, there's a key. There's a key from
My boob.
You tell him we did? He's about to find out. Yeah, he's gonna get mad.
Go clean them.
Nothing.
Don't you dare.
Ask him where your handcuffs are at.
Where at?
They're full of soap.
Why?
It's not soap.
Or, what is it?
It's butter.
Why?
Because they put them on
I
and
didn't handcuffs. It's so weird how the keys were. So we had to put butter and pull them out. And it was Taris's idea.
they're full of butter.
Well, you better clean them.
We are.
Well, now.
They're cleaning them.
Where are my keys?
And then I told him that the keys are right there the whole time. Why didn't you call and ask?
I told you that to call. You didn't want to call.
Why didn't you call and ask?
Weird.
Hey, that's my shirt that you're getting. That's my pants.
Why didn't you call and ask?
Because
someone
funny.
was scared.
It was funny.
You actually knew the keys were there?
No. No, I didn't.
You could have them back. She put them on and then we couldn't find the keys. She was like, oh,
Girls.
buttery.
Clean them.
I just did.
Clean them right.
Okay, you're a bit tiresome.
How did it feel?
Felt like giving birth to a baby rat.
A baby rat? Why a baby rat?
I know. I
Oh.
know that one.
Yeah.
She could have suffered less if you would have left the door open.
Why?
And then he would have seen us trying to get them off.
That's
And he
true.
would have gotten the keys.
That's true.
You
You,
me.
you should have not told me to lock the door.
Smart one. So let's do it again. Wait, let's get the key.
First test it out.
I know.
I'm getting